All right, can somebody count us in so we all know?
5, 4, 3.
It's snow day here on Q. Wait, that sounds singular, right? Is that right grammatically?
Snows days?
It's a Welcome to QPop.
I'm your host, Courtney Kaysen, and today I'm joined by my friends and producers here at QVC to talk about all the fun, fabulous things that you're going to need to enjoy a snow day. Whether you're outdoors or enjoying it from the comfort of your own home, QPop starts right now.
First up, we're talking snow tubes. A donut. We should have brought a dozen donuts today.
I mean, giant
That
donuts
would've
are
been
perfect
great.
for every day.
And good sprinkle ratio on ours.
There's probably a guy there that has to do that.
Doesn't go unnoticed.
First guy got fired. Can you come here and look at your tube? I don't want to do this in front of the crew, but get out.
What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I don't see enough sprinkles.
I see sprinkle.
So,
I don't care if your wife's pregnant.
speaking of things, should you be able to do it
Speaking of
pregnant?
things.
Seriously, it is kind of nice that you can use these for a snow day, and then as soon as the weather's warm, like Memorial Day weekend, toss them in the pool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is fun for ages 8 to 80, but at 81, you still need this thing.
Watch your hip.
Yeah.
Don't bother.
That one you put two people on. The one you're
Yes.
This one?
on. Yeah.
Two kids.
That feels like a comfortable John.
Yeah, this is
You would
pretty
put two
epic.
people?
Two kids or one John.
The donut's
Lighter.
less than $25, and then the Rocket double person snow tube is less
Yeah.
than $35. They're both from Big Mouth Inc.
Great.
Is it John or is it a company? We don't know.
Ooh,
Oh.
good one.
Bring him up next.
Courtney. Next.
Oh.
Tell the folks
Okay.
what it is.
Grub Mug. Recipe mugs. So each mug has a recipe on it.
Let's each take.
Let's see.
What is a bunch of
Oh,
recipes?
more.
All right.
Ooh.
Wait,
I
can
got-
you make it in the mug?
I got chocolate lava cake.
That's the
Yes,
point,
you
right?
make it in the mug,
You
Wait, I got
chocolate
pizza.
lava cake.
right?
I got
you get
fancy quiche, a burrito,
Oh.
capo pasta.
Oh, there's multiple things on here. I have crispy. Oh, I got the dessert one. That's yeah.
All right, so for the perfect loaded potato, we're just talking cheddar cheese, bacon, sour cream, minced parsley. You don't hear that often.
I feel like if you're making your baked potato in your mug, you're probably gonna have minced parsley right.
Well, but to be clear, these are microwave
Mince
recipes.
some parsley.
I don't know. Mine is pretty great.
Mom, do we have parsley? I'm
What
making
does
a
that
potato in my
mean?
mug.
This would be great
Super
for
cool.
college
This
kids.
would be great
when
for
you-
sampling right now.
Yeah, do we have anything we can make in this? Damn it, Marie.
10 seconds. 10 seconds this one.
good.
Oh, another
What?
20
And
seconds
look at
after.
that
Good.
brownie with marshmallows on the top.
Just like Grandma never made. You can make a burrito
through.
now.
Exactly.
Right?
I
Who
really
thought
want to make these recipes.
a burrito from a cup. A burrito from a cup. A burrito? A burrito from a cup. You could also drink coffee and drink water out of this. Or an adult beverage. Or a hot toddy.
True. True, Courtney, yes. You can have a hot toddy, Courtney, yes.
Thank you.
That's a very Ole Miss thing.
What's
It
that?
is.
Hot
Hot
toddy?
toddy.
Hot toddy?
Is that
Toddy
whiskey
toddy.
and hot tea?
I think it. Ooh, what's in a cold toddy?
All right. A cold toddy?
Yeah, can you
it's
Google
cold.
cold toddy for us, please? This is very important.
Let's see.
Can you also text my dad? I need a ride.
Yeah, fancy.
Yes. I got him.
All right, $22.73, 16 recipes on board. Next up, so they look like confections.
Don't eat them. Don't eat them.
They smell like confections, but they are the most decadent bubble bath.
Yes.
They tint your water without tinting your bathtub. And I just want John and Lauren
I'm not
to
a
do
fan
it.
of the trick of this. I mean, that looks like a donut,
What's it smell
Yeah.
like?
not a donut.
Okay. All right, I like that
But
one.
this is
Drop it in.
exciting.
Ooh, okay.
All right. Well,
This is-
we'll
You
buy
said
it.
drop
Delicate.
it.
Look at how gratifying that is to watch.
Yes.
And so now it's going
cool.
to tint your water, but it won't tint your bathtub. But the other cool part about this is it's got all of these essential oils and great ingredients in there. So now it becomes a treatment bath.
This is perfect for a snow day. This
Put
is
your
like
hand
dream
in
snow
there
day.
and just hold the fizz, like the fizz and bubble.
Wait, where did it go? There it is.
The other nice thing on a snow day is it's got shea butter in there, so you literally get out of the tub and your skin feels so good. Yeah, so it's a really cute treat.
Great.
Because I mean, when the weather weather's gross outside. It's like
No.
we're not.
Got a whole day
We're
to
not
just
going
treat yourself.
outside.
Yeah, exactly.
Treat yourself.
We're not sledding.
But for your little girl Sadie, this kid, I mean, she's gonna have like
Yeah, she would like this a
Yeah,
lot.
this is
yeah.
fun.
I feel like
Cocktail
everybody
bath.
else in my house would like this except for me. I feel like I'd be like, why aren't they donuts?
Aromatherapy, it's body treatment, and a set of 9, it's $20. So it's basically like $2.50, $2.
Smells great.
It does
We
smell
got-
very good. I
I
will say
guess
that.
passes the punch bowl.
Hang on. Boy.
So this
So
is
great.
actually an oversized blanket sweatshirt.
Oh, the dream.
The dream.
Yeah.
All right, I don't even know how you
mean,
how you get into this.
I am just super excited. We were talking about, should we get shirts for QPop? You know, something that really represents what the show is, and I feel like we got them.
This is it. Comfy.
We got them all. Look at that.
Oh, looks so cozy.
I also kind of feel like a.
I mean, this is immediately I got sleepy. Immediately.
Can you imagine wearing this on an airplane at 32,000 feet?
I mean, look at how we look. Imagine getting on an airplane. Actually, like most people on an airplane. But
Right.
whoa.
This is great.
It's so plush. It's
Do we
like
have
my
to return
arms
these?
have become pillows.
Yes.
We do?
Wait, you have a.
Well, I mean, you
bag.
could edit in one.
I can.
There you go.
I might just start coming to work in this.
But actually, let's talk about workplace etiquette for a second, because
Oh,
plenty
all right.
of people have blankets at their desks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
I was
So
wearing
to
one
me,
today.
this seems right in line with that, right?
Absolutely.
Exactly.
If I went to a meeting and there was John dressed as a starfish,
This is.
Wow.
I'd be like, yeah, this guy knows what's
Yeah.
up. I'm gonna
Right.
listen to him.
Can I leave
Respect.
this on the whole segment?
Please.
But I also like it goes over your knees. I mean, mine's
Yes.
like almost down to my ankle.
I mean, you're
Dude,
seated.
you know how much?
Yeah, but I mean, think like in terms of like you don't have to share with anybody. Maximum like cuddle comfort.
You can
Yes.
sneak snacks, like a lot of snacks into.
In the
anywhere.
There's a pocket in
you
the
know
front.
This is called a kangaroo pouch.
Oh, thank you. Do you know this is called a kangaroo? Did you know that, Laura?
I did.
You definitely have mom brain. That's a mom brain thing to do.
This is great too, because like I hate when you get up from under a blanket and you get cold immediately.
cold.
This is like take the blanket with you.
Can you imagine how good this feels if you put it in the dryer on heat for a few minutes on
Oh,
a
yes.
snow day?
Yes. Ooh.
Ooh. Wait, I was like, I don't even know what those were. I
Yeah,
was
we
like,
don't have to get rid
ooh.
of this product.
Should we put those on?
I'm not putting these on.
Okay.
I get this.
What do we have here?
You can put these on.
Sorry, okay.
These look like they're for women.
They're the most adorable things. They're critter slippers.
Oh my
Are they
gosh.
not for
Mucklucks.
women?
So cute.
It has a tail?
Yeah,
that's
I
not,
guess it's I guess it is
It's
a,
not-
Interesting.
a cottontail
That's not a good
nonetheless.
present for me. It's not a good gift for John.
I mean,
Get it for somebody you love. But if they look like me, skip it. Get them this guy.
But you know what's nice
not
about
I'm bringing
slippers
this
like this is like you have like a rubberized outsole, so you can
Yes.
walk out. I mean,
You
not long
definitely-
distances,
Yeah, you can go
but
do
you can go
stuff,
check
right?
the
You
mail.
can definitely,
Yes.
but you could make it into like a convenience store wearing these.
Yeah, you can go pick up your
100%.
prescriptions.
You could.
Yeah.
You could travel in these. I mean, think about how much more comfortable and toasty
could.
like an 8-hour
Ooh.
car trip would be.
Yeah.
Yes.
You had these.
I know. I like that it goes like up to the ankle, get all the warmth. Oh my
So you don't have
God.
to wear socks.
I will
Yeah,
say,
exactly.
like, this. I like a slipper.
Love
What
a
do you like
slipper.
about a slipper?
It's like a foot sweatshirt.
Buckluck slippers, less than $26. Lots of interpretive
How
animals
much were
on your
these?
feet.
How much were these guys?
Those were
I think
under
they were-
42.
yeah.
Under 42.
They're 41. They're $42. Lauren's trying to swindle you. They're less than
33.
42. Okay, it's 41, 33.
Sorry, it's a very random number. It's very random.
You know what? I'd be willing to bet no one would know I was pregnant in that. Next up, something from the future.
Oh my goodness.
This is my favorite one.
Wow. A hoverboard.
Hoverboard.
That
It's actually, it's called a self-balancing scooter. User's manual. It's just like, don't fall.
Best of luck in your trip.
All right, so
Yes,
I did
let's see it.
learn how to use this before.
How long did it take you before you
Not
felt
long.
comfortable?
Honestly, like, probably 10 minutes.
okay.
Is that all?
But like a few different tries. That's pretty. This is so
Is
cool.
it a smooth ride?
It's incredible.
I mean,
I'm cruising around on this.
really impressive how good
is.
John is at this.
And it has Bluetooth, right? It's the speaker, too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you imagine if you were listening to a podcast on that about like,
Anything.
Just anything.
Just a podcast about
Podcast.
anything is great.
And the people next to you on the sidewalk are like, great point.
Or like a book.
Like a
A
self-help.
book on
on tape.
tape. Yeah.
It's like you are powerful. You are a thoughtful man.
Franklin Delano Roosevelt
Yeah.
was born in upcountry New York.
See, and actually, you can start to like, whoa.
It seems oddly soothing,
Oh my God!
Yeah.
It is like so.
Sound of
even
it.
just watching you.
What's the
Yeah.
price on this?
This is $174.99.
So under 175.
Under 175. Thank you. Yes.
This is worth every penny.
would you only ride this inside, or would you take this to the streets?
I would take this right to my high school reunion. Hey, Taryn. Thought you were too cool back then, huh? Looks like I'm about 5'10" now with wheels. Ooh, ooh.
Why are you walking away from me?
Yeah. Taryn. I can't get off this thing, I'll fall. Oh, you're her husband? Nice to meet you. Yeah, it's great. Your kids are beautiful.
Wait,
This
but
is my
you-
wife.
Say, like start like that. Let's recap.
All right, so
Let's recap.
you say
No,
it.
you say it.
You say
No,
it.
you say it. Let's
Let's
say it. Let's say
recap.
it together
Okay.
on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's recap.
All right, first we saw these.
Floats. Oh
I
yeah.
think
What
they're
else did
a
we
lot
see?
more comfortable.
Here's
than
the
regular sled.
sneaky
It's in
truffles.
bubbles.
way.
Around $20, which is cool.
All right, then we got the comfies.
Put it on.
Oh,
You're
I'm
doing
good
yourself
now.
a disservice.
You don't want to try it?
Not now. We gotta hurry up and.
Oh, I thought you meant because of us. I was like, cool, dude. We're friends.
Then
Oh,
we've got our
slippers.
slippers.
My fave.
Coming at you.
And you got grub and a mug. Is that what it's called? Grub mugs.
Grub mugs. That's actually awesome.
Hoverboard. For around
Hoverboard.
the house. You know.
Just doing some chores.
Some dusting.
Yeah.
So this is everything that you need for a fabulous snow day. Go to QVC.com and get it in time for your next snow day.
Wait, hold it. Everybody hold it. Hold it. Let the credits roll. And we're out.